working together, we appeal to you not to receive the grace of God in vain. For instance,
to ask forgiveness for our sins, and especially
glory to you, O Lord.
come up with a strategy, with one or action plan, so that these 40 days you can also
Your voice. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned.
second reading. A reading from the second letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians.
so the land so this is a very for our students, however, we will have our own penitential walk activity, and I penitential walk, the Cathedral is given